Powerwash 2.0. Top-class wash performance combined with low energy consumption, even with small loads. In most cases, a machine's load capacity is not used to the full. As a result, the specific energy consumption per kilogram of laundry is higher than for a full load. Powerwash 2.0 now allows typical less than full loads to be washed particularly energy efficiently. This is achieved through Miele's innovative spin and spray technology, which uses a particularly low water level in the main wash. This saves on heating energy. And this is how it works. First, water enters the drum. After that, a short, fast spin cycle determines the size of the load and adjusts the program accordingly. Load detection is followed by the wetting and drenching of laundry. This is particularly effective thanks to spin and spray. The machine spins to expel the water from the load. At the same time, water is circulated and sprayed onto the load. Spin and spray cycles continue until the laundry is thoroughly and evenly drenched. In this way, optimum wash action is achieved. Heating commences once the laundry has been thoroughly wetted. This involves evaporating a small amount of water. The steam enters the drum and heats the laundry. Thanks to this special approach to heating and the spin and spray process, Miele is able to achieve extremely low consumption. Powerwash 2.0 top-class wash performance combined with low energy consumption, even with small loads.